Hi, Robert Kiefer here with H2O Pro, and we just finished another crawl space encapsulation, and just really wanted to take you guys through the quality of work that we do here. So as you can see, we've installed some circulating fans to push air around so our dehumidifier works even better. This is a good sized crawl space here. We also have our diamond plated mat that we install. This is our runner for high traffic areas, just to really make sure that we protect the ground. This is our 37 mil with a drain mat underneath of it. One of the thickest vapor barriers you could possibly install. Most companies are doing a 20 mil, and we're 37 again, so much higher for us. Here's our dehumidifier installed. That would do up to 5,000 square feet. So plenty of room for that to work. And look back here. Everything is sealed up, looking very nice. We'll just crawl through here real quick. Those are water leak detectors that we have installed as well in case there's ever a flood. There's one in each section here. We always put the name or our logo and everything beside the crawl space entry doors and beside the dehumidifier. That way everybody knows who did this quality work. We stand behind all of our work. A lifetime guarantee on our installations. There's another section over here. And we just had somebody come under here, so they haven't shut that door yet, but you can see we have some more of our fans there. So if you're looking to have your crawl space encapsulated and you're looking for a high quality job, call the professionals at H2O Pro at 302-321-7077, and we'd love to earn your business. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.